A Vivo X100 Ultra is launching this month, as well as a Vivo X100s, according to an official teaser shared widely on social media in China. And now we're looking at its live images that surfaced on Weibo, giving us a better look at the smartphone. The Vivo X100s rear looks similar to the Vivo X100, sporting a circular camera island. However, the X100s packs a flat screen and flat frame. The display has a centered punch hole for the selfie camera, while the right side frame houses the volume rocker and power button. The frame also has antenna lines, suggesting a metal build. There's also a Zeiss logo on the camera module. The camera island has a knurled ring and 4 cameras. The camera system is seemingly unchanged from the X100, which entails a 15 to 70mm setup with a 15mm ultra-wide, a 70mm periscope, and a 50MP f/1.6 main camera. Vivo X100s has a fun AIGC function, which can generate landscape photos of spring, summer, autumn and winter with an ordinary photo. It has a flat-edge display and a similar color scheme. Vivo X100s is expected to feature a FHD Plus display with a 1.5K pixels resolution. The Vivo X100s is tipped to come in 3 color options: white, black, cyan, and titanium. Vivo will unveil the X100 SM, likely with a Dimensity 9300 Plus chip with higher clocked Cortex X4, 3.4 GHz, with 16 GB of RAM and boot Android 14 OS out of the box. The smartphone is also powered by 5000 mAh battery with 100W wired fast charging support. The Vivo X100 started at 3,999 Chinese yuan, and we expect the X100s to cost about the same. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.